Kung bago ka lang dito sa NTPH, maaari bang makahingi ng isang like at subscribe? At huwag kalimutan pindutin ang notification bell para ma-notify kapag may ganito tayong upload. Salamat kabayan!
Sugan at karapatan!
Ipaglaban!
PhilHealth natin!
Huwag nakawin!
PhilHealth natin!
Huwag nakawin!
Yan! Yan mga boss! Nandito kami sa Rekto para kalampagin ang gobyerno natin. Yan, i-record nyo na to. Utang ina nyo mga congressman. Galit na ang taong bayan. Ayan na mga boss oh. Galit na ang taong bayan. Nandito kami sa Rekto mga boss. I-share nyo to, i-share nyo. I-record nyo na, i-share nyo na to. Ayan na mga boss, oh. Ayan! PhilHealth namin, wag na kawin. Yan, oh, takot na, urong daw, urong. Oh, yan, oh. Ano? Putangin nyo mga congressman kayo, wag nyo nakawin yung PhilHealth namin. Ayan! Huwag nyo nakawin yung pondo ng PhilHealth. Huwag nyong i-zero ang budget dyan. Galit na mga manggagawa. Galit na ang taong bayan.
Mas magsiresign na rin kayo!
Magsiresign kayo. Ikaw, Ledesma, CEO ng PhilHealth, putang ina mo, magresign ka na. Herbosa, isa ka pa. Secretary of Health, tang ina mo, magresign ka na. Kayo mga congressman, hayop kayo. Ayan na, galit na yung taong bayan. Ha? Oh.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.
Yan.
At masayang-masaya tayo dahil napakaraming pumunta dito sa rally natin.
Yan.
Para ipanawagan na ibalik ang pondo ng PhilHealth at labanan itong patuloy na panggagago ng gobyerno.
Yan! Laban!
Laban lang.
Yan,
laban
sabi nga ni Prof. Celo Magno, this is the most corrupt budget in the history of Philippines.
Kitang-kita po yan no, sa pangungurakot ng mga politiko natin. Unang-una na si Speaker Romualdez at sa mga nasa House of Representatives na walang ginawa kundi magpamudmod ng ayuda. Samantalang tayong mga mamamayan patuloy na nagbabayad ng tax natin.
Tama.
Tapos, habang tayo patuloy na nagbabayad ng tax, yung binabayad natin, kinukurakot nila.
Tama.
So, nakakawala po talaga to ng dignidad.
Tama!
Kaya after 20 years, nandito na naman ako sa Mindoro.
Magkakasama na kami ni Prof. Celo Magno. PhilHealth namin, wag nakawin.
Ngayon, ako ay nagagalit. Ako ay napapamura. Pero iiwanan ko na kay Ilay yung pagmumura. Bakit po? Dahil patuloy tayong ginagago at patuloy tayong niloloko ng gobyerno ito. Tayong mga manggagawa, tayong mga mamamayan ay patuloy na nagbabayad ng tax natin. Pero patuloy naman tayong niloloko dahil yung tax na binabayad natin, imbes na ibalik sa atin sa serbisyo, kagaya ng PhilHealth at maayos na edukasyon, ito ay inilalagay sa ayuda, inilalagay sa akap ang pamudmod ng mga politiko, lalo na si Speaker Romualdez na walang ginawa kung hindi mag-roadshow para magpamudmod ng akap. So yung kinikita natin, yung pinagpapagura natin, yung tax na binabayad natin, na pupunta para sa patronage politics. Nakakawala po ng dignidad. Kung maaari lang huwag magbayad ng tax, hindi po ba? Pero tayo mga manggagawa, walang choice. Walang choice kundi patuloy na ibigay yung pera natin sa gobyerno kapalit ng walang kwentang pamamahala. Kaya po tayo naririto ngayon para ipahayag ang pagtutol natin sa malawakang korupsyon na nangyayari ngayon sa gobyerno. At ito ay kitang-kita responsibilidad niya. Isang pagtataksil sa bayan. Nakita niyo naman, budget ng edukasyon, binawasan. Pero yung infrastructure, dinagdagan ng 200 billion pesos. Kulang pa daw ang flood control project, sabi ng Presidente. Nakakahiya naman habang tayong lahat lumalagoy sa baha. Kulang pa ang flood control projects at dredging. Dinagdagan pa rin ang sariling budget ng Kongreso, dinagdagan ang sariling budget ng Senado, dinagdagan ang mga programa na kung saan tayo mga Pilipino ay kailangang maglimos. Pero ang PhilHealth, ano ang ginawa? Zero budget. Kaya ang panawagan natin, PhilHealth natin,
Huwag nakawin!
ang management ng PhilHealth, zero!
Zero!
2025 budget,
Zero! Zero!
Maraming salamat. Mabuhay na sama!
Panginoon na yung akap i-maintain, ibalik. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ang programa ng akap para sa mahirap at yun ay talagang hangarin natin na tulungan natin at nilutas natin ang mga bayan sa kahirapan ng inflation at sa mataas na bilihin.
Speaker, yung buong budget po ng AKAP na restore?
Na-maintain, opo, just as we propose sa GAP po. Thank you.
Sir, sorry, meron lang po kasing info na pati the senators, they will also get the AKAP. Totoo po ba yun? Or...
Well, we have arrangements now with the Senate. Opo. We're looking forward to that. We were supported by the Senate, so maraming salamat din sa mga.
Mr. President, although I commend some of the provisions advocated in the BICAM report, I just want to manifest my strong reservation on some of the provisions of the bicameral conference committee report, which I personally find unacceptable. I did not also sign the BICAM report because details of the reconciled budget were not available earlier. This is also in line in support of the manifestation of Senator De La Rosa during the opening of the BICAM to give the members time to review prior to signing. Bakit po ako pipirma sa isang dokumento na hindi ko naman po alam ang detalye? First, I am saddened by the zero budget given to PhilHealth. As chairman of the Committee on Health, advocacy ko po ang health. Dapat po ang pondo ng PhilHealth ay para sa health. Kaya nga po, PhilHealth. Lessons learned dapat tayo sa pandemya. We should invest more in health. Katumbas po yan ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya dapat bigyan po natin ng priority ang health. While we acknowledge that PhilHealth has still billions in reserve funds. So, sabi nila 500 billion as discovered and discussed in 5 hearings conducted by the Committee on Health. Subsidy from the national government may still be needed to implement necessary reforms and improvements in its benefit packages. Huwag naman zero budget. Sa huli, ang mga mahihirap na pasyente na naman ang kawawa dyan. We kept on urging PhilHealth to expand its benefit packages, especially for top 10 mortality diseases, increase case rates, scrap its restrictive policies like the 24-hour confinement policy, cover additional services like dental. Tinupad na nila yung dental recently, optometric services and assistive device. Paano po magbe-benefit ang mga pasyente kung zero ang budget ng PhilHealth? I also want to highlight that Republic Act 11223 or the Universal Healthcare UHC law also mandates that the amount necessary to implement the provisions of the UHC shall be included in the GAA. Ito po yung nakolekta noong 2023. Dapat po ay nakalaan po ito para sa 2025 and shall be appropriated under the DOH and the national government subsidy to PhilHealth. May pinanggalingan na po yan tulad ng sin tax collections na dapat ay para sa implementation po ng UHC. Nasa batas po yan. May earmarking po yan under Republic Act 11346 at Republic Act 11467 or the sin tax law. There is also a provision in the UHC Act that premium subsidy for indirect contributors shall be included annually in the General Appropriations Act. Bigyan sana natin ng maayos at sapat na budget ang PhilHealth at hikayatin ang PhilHealth na i-maximize ang paggamit ng kanilang pondo para sa kanilang mga health-related programs and services. At dapat sana kung ano ang budget na nawala sa PhilHealth, dapat sana ay mapunta sana sa health. Ang budget ng health dapat para sa health. Hindi ko alam kung saan napunta ang 74 billion na dapat sana para sa PhilHealth at para sa health. Kung may tinanggal na budget sa PhilHealth dahil kulang ang benepisyo na binibigay nito, dapat sa health programs din po ilagay ito. Dapat hindi po sa iba. I also want to highlight the decrease in the budget of the AFP Modernization Program from the 50 billion approved in the Senate. Tinaasan natin dito sa Senado from the 40 billion approved in the House, naging 35 billion na lang po. As I manifested during the plenary deliberations, importante po ang modernization ng AFP para mapanatili ang kapayapaan at seguridad ng bansa. Anyway, kahit may reservation po ako, nakakalungkot. Just want to put that on record. Thank you, Mr. President.
We see in press statements is inaccurate. Plus reserves. Yeah, give us the whole picture, please.
Then it's accurate, Your Honor, around 600 billion.
600 billion.
Yes.
Say it as such. What is the 489 and why is it 600? You know, when we ask these questions, and my question is very basic. How much do you have? Don't let us draw information from your brains. 489. And then the DOH secretary says there's reserve of 600. So total is 600. So kindly tell us the truth of how much total, whether it is called reserve, what is the 489 called, so that we have a full picture. Because otherwise, if you did not persist in my questioning, then I would have thought that the news reports were inaccurate and the statements of the DOH secretary would have been inaccurate because I saw 600B. But the CEO would say it's 489. And there's a hell of a lot of difference between 600 and 489. So I would have deduced that, oh, there's some anomaly, or at least in my understanding of how much PhilHealth has. So may we request, Mr. Chair, I apologize for just being emphatic, I'm not angry, to just ask everyone very simple, basic questions, because that's where we're coming from, and to just please advise us, do you need anything, or you are comfortable with what you have because it's a big amount, and the president himself has stated many times that there was not a necessity, it was not necessary to provide any budget for you. In short, meron bang ni isang mahirap na Pilipino na maaapektuhan sa pag-zero ng allocation sa PhilHealth budget? And kindly give us the definition of the 489 and the whole 600. What is the difference? Reserve. What is a 489? If the balance is reserve, what is a 489? Yeah, in simple terms. Thank you.
Your Honor, apologies for the miscommunication. If I can allow my Sir Renet Limsiaco, our head of finance, to give you the details po of the funds. Thank you, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
But Mr. Chair, if this was already put on record earlier, then I submit, then I will just look at the records. But if the 600 detailed of the funds was not yet given on record, that's important to us.
Iba ang 600 sa 489. Ano ba talagang exact,
600.
no, I mean, anong exact amount ng inyong reserve fund? 600, may lumalabas na 600, sabi niyo 489.
That's why, Mr. Chair, I had to correct them because when I talked to the CEO just now, he said 489 and the DOH secretary said 600 and the reports in media to the public is 600. That is why he admitted it's actually 600. So kindly give us the breakdown of the 600 billion. And if the difference between 600 and 489 is reserve, how do you determine what is reserve? What is the reserve definition of terms used for? What is a 489? And give us the breakdown, please. And in what bank is it deposited? What kind of a deposit is it? Is it a time deposit? How much is the interest? And where does the interest go? So what is the principal? What bank? Whose account officer in charge? Are these several banks? Give us the details of the 600. Is it 600B? 600.1001? I mean, ano ba? Detalya po. The Filipino people need to know. And my second question would be, meron ba ni isang Pilipino na maaapektuhan dahil siniro? Hindi kami ha, wala ako sa BICAM ha.